guys, I have a pretty large Dollar Tree haul. Look at that. What a mess. I've been waiting to show you so that I could put it away. There's a lot of Christmas things in there for some crafts, Christmas crafts I'm going to make. And I wanted to share the things I bought with you, so I hope you'll join me today. My name is Martha, and I'm excited to show you all the things I got for Christmas. If you're new here and you just joined my channel, I want to thank you so much for subscribing. I hope that you continue to enjoy my videos. And if you are here from before, thank you so much for your continued support. And let's get started on this Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoy it. Isn't this just the cutest? And it's not like soft or flimsy. It's kind of like stiff. It's not soft. Anyway, look at this, you guys. It has a little Velcro ball so you can put it on each day until Christmas. This cute little reindeer. Isn't he adorable? Let's put it on the day first. I thought that was adorable. Look at these rugs that says it's upside down. It says the most wonderful time of the year. Isn't that pretty? And so I bought this one so that I could just put it behind the Christmas one so that it would be a little bit more firm. And I'm going to attach the two of them. But I thought that was really pretty as well. This was so cute. Isn't that just adorable? I love those little gnomes with all the different color hats, and the word welcome is with glitter. I'm planning to use these for when I like wrap gifts, and they have little jingle bells on them. And they are supposed to be ornaments, okay? Like they have the little thing, but like I said, I'm going to use these on the presents after I wrap them. I thought that would be so much prettier than a little bow. Just this with the name tag, and there's 6 to a pack. And these say peace and merry and joy, and these say Noel, peace and joy, and they have little gingerbread people on them. And I thought those were super cute. These are the little bags, fabric gift bags. And these are cute for like jewelry. If you have a little box of jewelry, and it has the little drawstring on top. These are 3 to a bag, and they're 6 by 4 inches. Those are so useful. Okay, so this little treetop is going to be for a craft. Isn't that pretty? I got that. And I got these large berries, and I thought I got 2 packs of those for a craft as well. Aren't those pretty? Got this candle holder, and it's going to be for a craft. Oh, look at these, Cris. Look at these trees, how pretty these are. I got this one. I got that one. This is for a craft as well. And this one, ooh, aren't they pretty? Oops. And I have one more. Let's see if I can fit it in here. This gold one. Aren't those pretty? Yeah. So you'll be seeing these in one of my crafts. I got these. I got 2 of these ornaments, tree ornaments. They're angel wings. Aren't those beautiful? Look at that. And these 2 beautiful charger plates in the silver. I got 2 of those. One is a shinier silver, and this is more like a satin finish. So these are just envelopes. 30 envelopes, the kind that you don't even have to like lick or wet. These are just the kind that you peel off the sticker. So I got those. And these Oh my goodness, these are cinnamon pine cones. I got 2 packs of them. They have such a strong cinnamon scent. I love the smell of cinnamon. I thought that was great. I had never seen these before. Okay, so I got 5 of these Christmas trees. Look how pretty these are. I got 3 of the blue ones. I got 3 blue ones. And I got 2 of these iridescent ones. And these are going to be for a craft as well. I got this Mop Head, a microfiber duster mop pad. And I found these beads, which have nothing to do with Christmas, but I thought these were so cute, like to make some bracelets for younger girls. These are Polymer clay beads, and these are like, there's a white and different shades of blue and a green in there as well. And this, I love, those are like the colors of camo beads. So I thought that would make a really cute bracelet. These have black and gray and white. And oh, these are so pretty. Look how beautiful these are. And they got a little messed up bead in this bag. Look how pretty that is. I got 3 of these. These were the last 3 that they had there. They looked so Christmassy. Icy, cold. Look how pretty that is. Aren't those beautiful? And then I got 1. Sometimes I like to use these like to stick them in the Christmas tree where there's like, you know how there are some spaces in the tree that it needs something? Well, I have a lot of different ones that I have bought through the year as fillers for the tree. And then when the lights are on in the tree, it sparkles so nicely. So I think that's what I'll use these for. I got this beautiful, it's just a slice of wood. So pretty. I got a square one as well because I always need these. I got this little pack of farm animals for a craft, but I'll see if I ever even make that craft. I have some Floral Moss. Look at this candle holder, how pretty. Like, look how wintry that looks. And then it has like little spaces where you could see the light come through, and it has some beautiful winter trees without the leaves, and there's snowflakes coming down, and then there are little Christmas trees. I thought that was really pretty, and it's like a light silvery blue. I love that. Look how pretty it looks next to the tree. And this cute little decorative clip. Look how cute the little bird is with the little berries. And the pine cone. I like that. I got 2 of these little pieces of wood for different crafts. Look at this one. It's just a plain red, but it has sparkle. I don't know if you could see that, but it does. Really pretty. And this beautiful white one with poinsettias on it. Cream color. It's not really white, it's like a winter white with little gold touches on it. And this one. I bought 2 of these Garland. There's 15 feet in here. And I like to have these on hand because I use them for different crafts. So I got 2 of them. And I got this cute little, it looks like a church with snow all over it and the little Christmas trees here. Thought that was really pretty. And last but not least, I got this little winter village cobblestone little things, and it has a little bench and 2 street lights. And that's it. That's all that I have. Oh, and I also got a couple of bicycle wheel wreath forms for some wreaths that I'm going to make. I had 2 people to ask me to make wreaths for them, so I will film those. And I gotta get working on those pretty soon. Thank you for joining me for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you like some of the things that I showed you, run to your Dollar Tree because they sell out pretty quickly. Anyway, we are going to be going away this weekend to Mount Dora. I may film some of that. And we are going to go to SeaWorld. They're having an event for Halloween with some spooky houses. Maybe I'll film some of that. I think that will be fun, and to show you a little bit of our trip and a lot of Christmas things coming up, which I hope that you will join me for. Thank you so much for being with me today. I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah! Take good care.